Hey, we in school with it. We in school. Yo, yeah. Yo, yeah. It's coming to save us. It was the fire in school. Yo, hey, twin. Yo, bro. Say what's up to the ball.
Yeah.
Man. They pulled out.
I know you gonna post this nigga.
I'm glad they're going on YouTube. What? They save us.
Hold on, when the news people come to tell me about they boarded a fire alarm, the school about to blow up. Bro, I didn't run home, I was crying.
What? It was everything on. It was fire blazing.
Batman came to the school, bro. Batman, he done saved my life, bro. Dragon, I saw Spider-Man.
Oh, God. I think somebody pulled the fire alarm. I ain't gonna look out. I think somebody pulled the fire alarm. Somebody pulled the fire alarm, bro. Girl, right here. Man, what? What's up? Yo, what you think about the fire alarm, bro?
We should have let this damn school burn, bro.
Bro, what? Why did you let the school burn?
Let it burn.
Yeah, you think you should let the school burn, bro?
Yes, go down with the students. Don't with the
students?
Yeah, besides y'all.
Alright, cool. What you think, bro?
Let it burn, bro.
Let it burn.
Let it burn. Michael, are you posting on your YouTube?
What's going on YouTube? You got shades on, my butt. You not on YouTube. You gotta say what's up to the vlog. You got on YouTube. You just better hope you blow up.
What's up? All these gotta die.
What? Family friendly channel.
All these N-words gotta off.
Yeah.
All these just bleep out all the curse words, bro.
I got a lot of bleeping out to do. I ain't gonna cap.
All these boys gotta die.
Get all the sound cut off.
Wow. Y'all wanna walk around or something? The vlog. Or we just standing here?
I just hope
I don't really want to go to my first day.
I hope the fire truck.
I wish to interview other people. Who want to come interview? Look, we'll interview other people.
And who got some rocks or gasoline, bro? We finna.
No. Let's find some other people. There's a lot going on. You see everybody here. Y'all see the truck, the family. We're gonna make it. Yup. Man, what you think about the fire drill, bro? What you think? It's crazy.
I recorded like
bro, it's family friendly channel, bro. It's family friendly channel. Bro, what you think about the fire drill, bro?
Oh, we gonna go on your YouTube?
Yeah. What you think, bro? What you think? She giggling so much, bro. What you think?
Oh, I think it's very cool. Like, I think
Cool.
yeah.
What you think about the people coming to save us, the fire truck?
Where's the fire truck?
I don't know. I thought it was coming to save us.
We go on your YouTube.
It's not on YouTube.
Oh my god.
What you think about the fire drill, bro?
yeah, we chilling.
We chilling. We still alive, though. We still alive. We still good. I'm still alive and well. I get to go home. We might get to go home early. What you think about that? Yo, what you think about the fight? You don't been? All right, you feel though.
No, that's not the day.
It's not the day. All right, bro. He cooling right now. He cooling. Yeah. I don't know. Ooh. I'm fine, somebody.